Hey, my incredible quizzers! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. I've prepared a ticket for us to fly straight into the magical world of Oz. Why? Because we've got a wickedly fun challenge lined up for you. Yup, it's Would You Rather Wicked for Good edition. And hey, Slicer, make sure to comment your guesses as we go. I love seeing the vibe from you guys. All right, let's jump right into round one. Round one, Would You Rather? Would you rather have a Glinda house style or Elphaba house style? Next up, who would you rather be friends with? You like Elphaba or Glinda more? Soundtrack sound check. Which wicked? For good song hits your heart the hardest. No place like home or thank goodness?
There's no place like home.
Just a word.
Ooh, here comes another. Would you rather meet Elphaba and her crew or hang out with Dorothy and her iconic friends? Man, I would love to be friends with both of them. Uh-oh, would you rather become a flying monkey or just drop a comment with your favorite wicked character? This one is an easy pick, right? Which title would you rather carry throughout the Oz? Glinda the Good or the legendary Wicked Witch? Which one would you rather watch more than the other? Wicked for Good or the full Wicked live musical? Here's another magical one choice. Which gaming room would you rather have? Glinda's glamorous style or Elphaba's dark academia energy? It's hard, but I think I like the Elphaba one more. How about you? It's time for the Twisted Cone Test. Would you rather dance just like Bach and Nessaroses, or you love that Glinda and Elphaba's iconic duet dance more? Would you rather have an evil witch nose or just easily support this video by smashing the like button? Ew, I personally don't want that nose at all. Which magic ability would you want to have in your life? Is it to fly high on a broom or just float gracefully inside Glinda's bubble? Wow, romance time. Who would you choose to be your ideal boyfriend? Mr. Fiyero or our friendly Bach? Bedroom dreams. Is your type the Glinda's pink sparkle bunk bed or the Elphaba's emerald enchantment bunk bed? Next up, choose your one and only wicked anthem between these two songs. Defying Gravity or Popular?
You'll hang with the right cohorts. You'll be good at sports. Know the slang you've.
Gotta go with both, don't mind me. All right, personality check. Would you choose to be pretty but selfish or ugly but smart? What's your vibe in Oz? Would you rather live in Munchkin Land or stay in the gorgeous Emerald City? Okay now, do you want to study with a normal teacher or would love to have a goat professor guiding your magic? Fashion checker. Would you wear this Elphaba dress or these Glinda dress? Who do you think has the better performance? Cynthia Erivo's Elphaba or Ariana Grande's Glinda? I think they both did fantastic, no? Love triangle moment. Do you like Fiyero with Glinda or do you love Fiyero and Elphaba more? Which couple are you rooting for? Round 2. Guess the voice. Quite an awful voice from this one. Whose voice is that?
You see,
If it's so good, why is he trembling?
This one is Professor Nicky Dick. Did you get it right? Tell me, please.
you see.
If it's so good, why is he trembling?
Next one's ready. Listen closely because this voice might be holding some aura.
Sounds ew. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair.
Bingo! That is Glinda, another protagonist from the movie.
Sounds ew. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair.
Do you recognize this tone that's full of magic?
And help.
You got it. That's the wonderful and terrible Wizard of Oz.
And help.
Can you help me identify which character does this pair of eyes belong to? Yes, that's Elphaba's eyes. You are amazing. All right, another voice test. Let's see if your ears catch this one.
Scholars, evident in their respective fields.
Yeah, this was real hard. It was Shiz President. If you did get this right, don't forget to give yourself a clap for celebration.
Scholars, evident in their respective fields.
Can you rate this song from the movie?
Defying gravity. Come on, fly.
What did you think about this track? Let's give us your truest thoughts below the comments. All right, another voice test. Do you recognize who it belongs to?
Matters, but knowing nothing matters. It's just
Nice catch! You're totally right. That is Fiyero.
matters, but knowing nothing matters. It's just
Here comes a tricky one.
Beautiful you are. It is such an honor.
Woohoo! You got it perfectly. Nice catch on Miss Coddle.
Beautiful you are. It is such an honor.
Whoa, not an easy one. Can you crack it open?
And Oz, which had been sad and lost.
Yeah, this is the wise woman, Wizomania.
And Oz, which had been sad and lost.
Here's the catch, Slicers. Would you rather join the wizard's side to harm all the animals, or join Elphaba's side for revolution? Let's gather round and drop your side's name below the comment. All right, tune up, lock in. Can you guess the character?
Tell him of you in advance.
Oh, nice catch. Such a perfect start from you.
Tell him of you in advance.
Quite a tough one right here. Go try your best.
I understand.
Boom! This one is Governor Throp. Did you get this one correct?
I understand.
Next round. Can you tell who's behind that goofy voice?
Of Munchkin Land.
Great.
Who else but our lovely Bach Woodsman?
Of Munchkin Land.
Great.
Let's stop 1 second and try to spot all three differences here. Bam! Right on target. You are absolutely unstoppable. What a lovely voice lines. Can you name this character before the reveal?
It's all right, little one. He shouldn't have blamed you.
That's the adorable Dulce Bear.
It's all right, little one. He shouldn't have blamed you.
This next one's giving major main character energy. Who could this be?
Show it. I'd be so happy I could melt.
Elphaba is the right answer.
Show it. I'd be so happy I could melt.
Whose voice is that?
I helped it come true. We deserve each other.
Correct. Again, it truly is Nessaros. You're slaying this quiz.
I helped it come true. We deserve each other.
All right, sharpen those ears. Can you recognize who's talking here?
Well, then they begin to look for.
Someone to blame.
Quite right.
Oh, that's Dr. Dillamond, a goat professor.
Well, then they begin to look for.
Someone to blame.
Quite right.
Here we go again. Any idea about the character behind this voice?
Glinda? What's the...
Whoa, look at you go. Shen Shen is absolutely correct.
Glinda? What's the...
Those ears ready, and let's end this beautifully. Wolf Doctor is 100% the right answer. You're amazing. Thanks for playing, Slicer. Your wicked choices were absolutely spellbinding, don't you think so? You nailed every round. If you had fun, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more magical quizzes. See you next time. Goodbye.